Let it flow, let it go. Don't drown in the rain. Here comes the storm. Waterfall. I've been swimming through the thoughts I had, trying to find peace on the inside. Every tear I shed it baptized. Now I'm purified by what I survived. Used to break down just to feel alive. Heart too heavy but I still try. Now I don't fight waves, I ride. Every current got me sanctified. Yeah, I let it fall when it gets too much. Don't hold pain, just give it up. Every drop's another way to heal. Water knows what's real. Let it fall, waterfall. Let the rain cleanse it. All emotions right, but I stand tall. I don't drown, I evolve. Let it fall, waterfall flowing through me. I recall every scar, every word I turn to, what I turn to calm. Used to run from what I couldn't face, bury pain in a quiet place, but pressure built the strength I claim. Now my heart beats in a softer way. The past still whispers but I don't respond. Everyone taught me how to move on. Now I let it out, I don't hold back. If it flows, it's meant for the past. Yeah, I let it fall when it gets too much. Don't hold pain, just give it up. Every drop's another way to heal. Water knows what's real. Let it fall, waterfall. Let the rain cleanse it. All emotions rise, but I stand tall. Now you fall, let it fall, let it flow. Waterfall flowing through me. I recall every scar, every word I turn to, what I turn to calm. I used to fight my feelings, now I feel the peace. Used to break in silence, now I'm finding release. Every way that hit me taught me how to breathe. Now the water moves inside of me, yeah. Waterfall, let it pour through my soul. Do it all, I don't fear to fall. That's when I learn to flow.